Right, today, taking the engine out, Mark 2 Golf. Yeah, so what we're doing, taking head off, just a small port.
It's like rusty water, isn't it?
It does.
Isn't it? It's that one, bro.
Should be like a heart M8 or something daft like that. Thirteen? 10?
It's 10. Look at that 13, isn't it, man?
Probably look like 13.
I've got a jacket up on actually, car, so I can do some real sailing.
Privileges. Right. Those are free.
Another day.
All lions free now. Which has got one of them sender units that goes inside the body car for oil.
Yeah, bro.
The oil pressure.
This guy.
Yeah. This is the original Mark 2 one, yeah. So we just push it.
Another one just to push it too, bro, yeah. Day another day. What? So I wanted to get this jacked. Oh, big cams! Let me move this one out of there, bro.
Oh, no wet knees are on here. No dirty knees. We don't do dirty knees around here. 10 mil.
Should be a bigger ratchet anyway.
Yeah, 3/8 is on there. Oh, big corrosion coming back on box.
What I'm going to do is
Spray it.
clean it up, not spraying it. Spray like a coating on it.
Yeah. Even if you clear coat it. You'll put black on it.
Don't last longer aluminium like that, mate, in elements. It's here.
I meant to call this lad by down Worcester. Mechanic place down Worcester. I applied to it.
Oh yeah.
Lad wants me to come. He says, oh, when can you come for fucking interview?
Oh yeah.
I said, oh boy. Just telling her I lost it the other day. She's like, oh yeah, sounds good. I says, yeah, the only downfall is the lad gives me fucking job, that means I gotta move.
You are?
I said, if the lad gives me the job, yeah, that means I go Worcester. She's like, nah, no good. She says, you gotta finish college first. Just finish college, then you can do whatever you want. I said, yes, boss. Yes, boss.
See, she's already looking out for your best interest, bro.
I says, yes,
when a
boss.
girl starts looking out for your interests, then you sort of know you're on the right lines. Somewhere, you know what I mean?
Yep. I says, yes, boss. She says, I don't give a shit what you do after that. But that's what you do first. She says, but if that's what you think you want to do, do it. I says, fair dues. I says, I ain't gonna say no. I says, well, if the boss has spoken, why complain, huh? Smaller than tons, than nines. Nines of 8.
Baby, if I've got to go away.
Sure. The fucking lad tried to sell Worcester to me. Yeah, he says, oh, welcome to sunny Worcester. I wanted to tell him, Worcester ain't no fucking sunnier than where I live. Been there, done that. Last time I went Worcester, one of the lasses, not family a friend like, she went to uni down there. And I went with her on the fucking uni tour.
Big 13. Yeah.
Man, I tell you, got myself in trouble. She's like, oh, you coming back down? Cause it's like, so what, you coming back down? I says, no. I says, watch your mouth. She says, well, you know where I stay. I says, no, watch your mouth. I says, trying to get me in trouble, right? She says, well, fucking uni chicks would dig you. I says, nah, definitely trying to get me in trouble. I says, I come down here.
What unis?
I says, I come down here, someone's getting fucking chowered up. It ain't gonna be a pretty one. Fuck me. Oh yeah, come in on here. Hey, don't start that. I'll chow up a uni chick. When I was back in that day. Make it rain.
Oh, did you undo that rough thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's loose.
Pliers on here, do it. Grips. There we go. Got it.
What grabs?
Oh. Oh.
Let's go put an nylock nut on me.
Yeah.
Turbo. Instead.
Send her up.
It's just going to lift it this way first, and that's all, because engine mounts are in front. Just check it to grow. Yep, go in. I think we will pull out of here. Well, if you hadn't, you'd have to take before and after pic.
Good to you.
Yep. Drop in the draw. Alright, what's it for?
Oh, once I did a gearbox box, no.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah.
16's done.